has developed Taiwan's first private network management platform, Athena Orchestrator, that conforms to the O-RAN standard architecture and interface specifications. Athena Orchestrator has some features including the energy saving, intelligent virtualization control, and customized field management for private networks. And with the domestic base station system products, it can achieve one-stop automated solution from network planning, deployment, optimization, to maintenance. Athena Orchestrator also supports low-carbon energy saving and real-time dynamic resource allocation, and is applicable to various private network scenarios, including smart factories and racing drones used in entertainment or competitions. Athena Orchestrator can assist network operators and electronic network communication manufacturers to compete for the 5G private network market.